Tinulungan ako. Help, 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 help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Help, help. Roxy. Come here. Look, look. Where are you going? Help, 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 baby, help. Help me. Help, help, help me. Help me. Help. Come here. Help. Help. Come here. Come here. Help. Come here. Help. Nagkakahiga lang siya. Help. 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 Oh my god. Help. Help. Come right here. Right here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Come here, right here. Right here. Help. Help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It's freezing cold. Come here, let's make a thing. Woo! Roxy, come, look. Look. Roxy, Roxy, look, come here. Gumagawa din siya ng tunnel niya. Roxy. 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 Baby ni mama na. Roxy yan. Yes, Roxy. Ang ginawa. Oh, now. You're gonna be wet. Look at you. Look at you, baby. Look at my baby. Nag-ice-ice naman ang baby. Oh my goodness. My baby, ice-ice. Oy. Let me clean you up. Let me clean you up. Oy. Oh, icicles now. Kawawa man ang baby. Kawawa man na, uy. Nag-ice-ice naman ang baby, uy. Are you cold? Oh God. Nag-icicles, uy. Pati ang lubot, oh. Ang lubot sa baby. Come here. Come here. Kawawa mo na, baby. Do you wanna go in? Do you wanna go in, ah? You're cold now. Turn, baby, no, eh. Cold now. Okay, it's okay if the house is wet. As long as my baby is... Okay, go in. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, I'm wet. I'm wet. Roxy is so wet. I'm still wet. What are you trying to do? Huh? Huh? Look at me. What did you do to me?
Wait, let's have a floor.
Nagtitigay. Parang bata. Parang...
He got big as the wall. can't get in the house.
Huh?
You can't get in the house till I get there.
No.
Where you gonna run? No more walkway there to run to.
You said it. Okay, huh? Ito deh, huh? You really wanna play, huh? Now I'm not done. Look. I'm not done. I'm going in. Honey, no. Hello, hon. What are you doing? Hon is in the door. Look. And this go play with Roxy, honey. She would be happy now. It's enjoyable, honey. Right, Roxy? You wanna go throw a thing outside? You wanna do it?
Oh, I think it was someone.